This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ross Heinzman. Warehouse/light industrial space approximately 1,930 square feet with 10 wide overhead doors. Office space and bathroom in unit. Floor plan and attachments. For more information, review the details below or contact Ross Heinzman at 954-732-3893.